In this video I will talk about which subjects to focus on in the final week of revision, so you can have some idea. I can't exactly tell follow this way only, but by listening to me you can little bit adjust based on your own subjects and the sources that you have used and change little bit. So we will start with the exam day, that is 26th is the exam, right? So we are going to start the revision plan on 26th. Which are the first paper subjects? Anatomy, physiology, pathology, pharmacology. They will give PSM also. Some 20 to 25 questions of PSM will come in first paper, and they might give ENT, ophthalmology, forensic medicine, biochemistry. These are the subjects. So what we will do is the final 2.5 days. Okay, you can say the 26th early morning. If possible, try to wake up at 3 o'clock. Okay, sleep, try to at least have some 6 hours of sleep. So sleep at 9 o'clock and then wake up by 3 o'clock. Then you will have at least 5 hours of revision time. If you have to travel, then you might have less time, but still, if you have already reached the exam center location, or else you are in the same city, then actually you can have some 5 hours of revision, and that is very important. And as I said in the yesterday video, okay, that short-term memory. So the 5 hours whatever you read, that is going to stay in your memory. So what I want you to do is, starting with the 26th early morning 3 o'clock to evening 8 o'clock, I want you to study subjects which are more hard to remember, like anatomy you can read, or else you can read biochemistry, pharmacology. These 3 subjects you can revise on the exam day. If you used something source which is very big, like main videos, if you already used, I think you already would have planned yourself. But if you are using at least rapid revision also, you should be able to revise 1 or 2 subjects on the morning of 26th. So 26th you will revise. In this video I will tell about if you used BTR or something very concise, BTR, chanting, or else even rapid revision is also fine. The final 7 days, how you can plan. On the day of exam, early morning 3 to 8 o'clock, in the 5 hours you will study at least 1 to 2 subjects. Okay, so anatomy, pharmacology, biochemistry, these you can read. And before day you can read physiology, pathology, microbiology, and you can add ENT also if you want. And before that you can read forensic medicine, pediatrics and PSM. Now the first paper subjects are finished. We took some 2.5 days. Now we are going to read second paper subjects before the 2.5 days. Means the final 2.5 days we will leave for the first paper subjects, so that you will have that good memory for the first paper subjects. Okay, so then you are going to, before the 2.5 days, you are going to study for the second paper subjects. That is starting from today. Today is 19. So 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. These 5 days you will give for the remaining subjects. All the 5 short subjects: surgery, OBGY, medicine. Okay, so these subjects you are going to give for the next 5 days. It is going to take the time also, like surgery. If you used BTR, I revised the whole BTR notes in just 4 hours. Okay, but if you are doing rapid revision something, then it will take some 6 to 8 hours or 10 hours also. Okay, or 12 hours, whatever the time it takes, however you created the material. But if you are using BTR only like me, it should not take you more than 5 to 6 hours for surgery. For OBG, 4 to 5 hours. For PSM, not more than 4 hours. This is my idea. Okay, so according to you, if you used BTR, then calculate yourself. So on 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, you will revise second paper subjects, or else you can give at least 4 days for this and 3 days for the first paper subjects, whatever your wish. Okay, then you are going to read the first paper subjects, and then on the exam day also first paper subjects. You will go to exam that way, and you will have good memory. Okay, as I said in the yesterday video, do not lose hope. Wherever you are, 120, 130, try to give your best, because in this moment, okay, in the final moment, you will actually have that strong urge to clear. You will have some pressure behind you to study better. So use this time to actually study. Okay, even if you don't clear, use this time to actually study, and try to focus as much as you can. Try to memorize as much as you can, and you will yourself understand, okay, this exam can be cleared. If you are someone who is going to fail this time, I am saying, okay, if you didn't prepare well, that's okay, but still give your best. If you are someone in the 130, 135, 100% you should give your best. You have chances of clearing this exam. So study well. Bye.